Hi, I'm Steve Bousquet of American Landscape and Lawn Science, and this video is to share a little bit about our company. We're celebrating our 40th year in business here in 2023. If you like the video, or you like us, please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate that. That Ford was my very first pickup with a couple of trucks, and now this is my fleet going into our 2023, our 40th season. We have built up quite a fleet compared to 1983 with that Ford pickup and that Nissan pickup. Both were good trucks. Our new truck fleet is much nicer. And here we are sponsoring the Norwich Chamber of Commerce at the duck race. We put together a photo booth so people can take photos and have a memory of the event. It is a chamber fundraiser that they do on the Yannick River every year. Yes, every once in a while I do go out in the field and still do some work. Wherever I travel, I try to find the greenest lawn. I happen to be in Detroit in this photo, and I found a beautiful green lawn in downtown Detroit. My favorite daylily is All-American Chief. It is an award-winning daylily with the red and the yellow. It's a mid-season bloomer. This is my favorite rhododendron. It's called the Landmark Rhododendron. It was actually developed at the University of Connecticut. This is one of my favorite spireas. This is the lawn at our shop, right in front of the shop. This is my car. It is a 6-cylinder 2014 Mustang. I use this for sales, service calls. This is Alberto. This is one of our landscape foremen. He's been with us for a number of years. He's a very talented guy. This is a photo of our new Z-Spray, our 2023 Z-Spray, the new upgraded Z-Spray with all kinds of interesting features. The hopper flips up. It's easier to get to everything on that machine. This is one of our guys on our backhoe, our Kubota backhoe. This is someone driving up to the garage to have something done with the backhoe. This is a chicken fire pit that we built for the Finnish American Heritage Society in Canterbury, Connecticut. We donated the labor and some materials, and the Finnish American Heritage Society has a chicken barbecue every spring to raise money to support the organization. This is my team installing that. Good Monday morning and happy spring. March 20th, and we're celebrating our 40th year in the lawn care and landscape business, and we are excited that it's spring. We have our product in. We have a lot of our lawn techs are out today doing applications, so we're excited. I know it's a lot of granular fertilizer. We do that on round one. We still have cold, chilly nights, so we are doing granular fertilizer with pre-emergent. Right now, here's some of our Z-sprays. This is one of our rigs that we run. This is a backup. That's an Isuzu with a couple tons of fertilizer and pre-emergent with a Z-spray on our custom carrier. So, wishing you a happy spring, happy Monday. Hope you have a great week. This is my team looking at a new machine we're thinking about buying. We did buy, it's kind of one step down. This machine was a little bit too big, but we did get a Z-Spray. This is our brand new Kubota B26 backhoe loader. It's a photo of our two forklifts, which come in very handy. This is our 2011 New Holland skid steer, which we like very much. This is a picture of some of our Z-Sprays in early season. This is me modeling our high visibility jacket. This is our leaf loader truck with a 65 horse truck loader. This is our slice seeders all lined up. We do slice seeding in the fall. This is our Turfware lawn sprayer spreader. This is the machine I typically use when I go out. And this is our grasshopper with a leaf blower, and I'm going to let the video finish with a little demo of what the blower does.